So Hashing Adspace has introduced another new way for you to earn asimi tokens for free. So this is another great video that I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually maximize your earnings with Hashing Adspace totally for free. So basically this is an email from Luke Miller, who is the CEO of Hashing Adspace. So if you're already a member of Hashing Adspace, you probably received this email. But if you're not, then this might be an interesting one for you as well, because this is the perfect time to join. Generally, you're earning a lot of asimi because of its value being undervalued. So it's way below the normal price, and this is the perfect time to stake your asimi token so that when the value goes up, you actually translate into a lot of money. So without wasting much of your time, if you're new to this channel, if you haven't subscribed, I would really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button, turn notifications so that you're notified when I release a video on how to earn more money. Or also check out the Telegram group that we got down below, where I can help you one-on-one if you got any questions, or you just need, or you're looking for more ways to earn money online. So basically, Hashing Adspace, I've been sharing a lot of videos about this, because this is one of the legit ways of earning money for simply watching ads, viewing ads online. It'll take you 20 to 40 minutes on average. The way I do it every single day, that's how much time it takes for me. So it's not a lot of time, but because what you're earning is actually quite a lot of money with this. Looking at the previous price of each asimi token, which was around $1, even though it used to be above $20 for each token. If you're new and you want to join, there's a link down below that you can use to join this amazing platform and start earning for free, totally for free. No investment needed. So as you can see, this is an email as I'm sharing, so you can go and watch this video for full explanation on how this is going to work. You can type it out, this link, or you can just go search Hashing Adspace on YouTube, and then go to their official channel. They have an official YouTube channel, Hashing Adspace, where you can watch this video on them explaining how this new way is going to work. So basically, in a nutshell, there are now 4 ways in total for us to earn free asimi tokens. Basically, I say it's free because, I mean, even with the minting one, it's more like an investment. So basically, you stake your asimi tokens. So for me, I stake 106 asimi tokens, and then right now I'm earning about 1.2 on average asimi tokens every single day for spending 15 seconds of my time. So for 365 days. So that's basically earning over 365 asimi tokens for holding just 100 asimi tokens. So that's why I'm saying this is actually just free. This is free. This is totally free because you basically is an investment. You're earning great amounts of interest on this. There's like 300 times or 300% return on investment. So basically this one, that's how it works. And then the following one, earn asimi for free with the view to earn button. I'm also going to show you this. It's totally free. This is one of the ways that anyone who joins right now will start earning every single day. This is the one that I was talking about that takes you 20 to 40 minutes on average every single day to view all these ads, and then you earn about 5. Right now I'm earning just above 6 asimi tokens every single day with this one, which is amazing considering that the value will go back above $1 at least, because as I said, this token was worth over $20 at some point. So we're just waiting for the perfect time to sell off this. And when I did my first withdrawal, the coin was worth over $3. So I made a couple hundreds of dollars with it. So that's why I'm recommending this. I actually shared a video of proof, just the recent one before this one. So you can also check that in the description down below. I'm going to leave a link to the playlist where you can say payment, proof of payment and so forth, and how to withdraw and so forth. So check out for that also if you want to watch the video that I'm talking about. So anyways, as you can see, the third one, this is basically what I'm doing right now, which is recommending the service. So as an affiliate, you earn a certain percentage of what your referred users either spend on the platform or when they view. Because how Hashing Adspace is built is that you can't actually sign up without somebody else referring you to the platform. So you either use the admin's referral link, or you use anybody else who just shares their link with you. Then you can join the Hashing Adspace. But then remember, with these commissions, the user does not lose any amount of money. This is just commissions that are coming straight from Hashing Adspace themselves. So the user, the person who's earning, who's been referred, who's earning, does not lose anything, which is a great thing about affiliate marketing, because it's basically commissions that are coming straight from the company, not from the person who is earning, who has been referred to. So the person who's been referred to will continue earning just like every other person is doing, and the commissions come from straight from the company. So it's a win-win for everyone. Anyways, the fourth one, which is the new one, which is about to be launched, I think in the 24 hours as I'm speaking right now, as I'm recording this video. So this is just take your asimi and earn more asimi by simply logging in. So this is amazing. So logging in ad was recently introduced, which is a great way that people have been getting a lot of testimonials through their businesses through this ad. Basically, there are over 200,000 people on this platform, and every day when they're logging in, they'll be seeing this ad for a full 24 hours, which is a great potential to get all the leads that you need for your business. So this is a great product, and now they're actually allowing us, just anyone who logs in every single day, to actually earn on top of that. So, which is a great one. So I'm just going to go to my to the Asimi login page and then show you what I'm talking about here. So firstly, I'm going to demonstrate the login ad because I need to log into the service. So as you can see, I'm on the dashboard on adspace. This is my login details, and then I'm just going to fill this out and then log in, and then I'll show you how this login is actually going to be working. Let's just fill out this thing so that we can continue. So all you have to do is simply log in to earn with this new way of earning, which is pretty much crazy, because I mean there's no other easy way to earn free cryptocurrency like this online. So if you're new to the channel, I would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe. If you got any questions about any of this, you can leave a comment down below, or you can also join the Telegram group, and then you can post it there, and I can also help you out. So anyway, so when you log in every single day, just like this, you click the login button, you'll be able to view this login ad, and then basically you're getting paid that certain percentage of the stake that you have of 800, just above 800 asimi tokens. So depending on the percentage of asimi that you staked out of 10,000, because one login stake actually costs just 10,000. You need to stake 10,000 asimi tokens. So then now, instead of having you to actually buy the whole thing, they made it so that you are able to stake anywhere from one asimi. So then you get paid based on that percentage that you're staking of that asimi token. So as you can see, this is somebody who just bought the full 24-hour login. So they're basically getting a lot of leads. So once you obviously done, then you just click go to dashboard. Your asimi is actually in. So you're not actually required to do anything with the ad. You just need to view it. If you're interested in it, obviously you take action, and otherwise you just click the dashboard button, then you proceed with the login. So now I'm just going to show you the other ways of earning with adspace, since it's actually just a new day. As you can see, 22 hours 52 minutes left for me to complete my 2 asimi minting ads there, because I have 2 asimi stakes. Also to view all the view to earn ads. So I'm just going to show you the first one is going to be right here. This is basically the first one, which is the asimi stake. So this is the one that you have to stake, invest a stake on, the one that I was explaining on which is basically an investment, because you're getting sort of an interest every single day for just doing this, which is for literally 15 seconds. No more than 15 seconds. As you can see, this is just 7 seconds each, and then I only got 2, but you can increase up to, I think, up to 500 of these. So it's all up to you and how much asimi tokens or money you actually want to put up front and earn interest, sort of an interest on it. As you can see, that is actually done, and then now I just earned a couple of asimi tokens on top of my asimi being returned to me each and every single day in portions, as I said before. So now I'm going to show you this. So now that was the first one. The first way to earn was obviously the login ad, and then this is the second with the minting, but you don't necessarily need that. And then now this one, the view to earn, which is totally for free for anyone who wants to start earning for free, like without any staking, without putting money down upfront or whatsoever. And you also get a chance to win amazing gifts right there, like the 80 asimi tokens or 10 asimi tokens. You also get an opportunity to win one stake, which means you'll be able to view that 7-second ad, one of it, and actually earn more money. So this is the view to earn. So this is how it basically works. You just submit there, and then you view all this. So I actually recommend that everyone, even if you're an advertiser or you simply just want to earn, I would recommend that you just watch at least this 5, because what this view to earn actually allows you to do is that you can buy minimum of 10 asimi tokens, which can be easily earned within 5 days or so. You're looking at these numbers there right here. So in like 5 days, you can actually 2 to 3 days, you can actually have 10 asimi and then buy advertising just to advertise here also. So at 10 asimi gives you about, with this one, gives you about 20 to 50, about 20 views. Looking at this, if you were to place your ads at this, or you can actually use your 10 asimi to get over almost 100, I think just above 100 using this one. So you can also place your ad here. That's why I'm saying it is a good thing if you actually just come and view this ad, so that you use that asimi to attract more followers or more affiliates for your program, for your softwares, for whatever you want. So it's like an extra income that you can actually use to advertise and earn even more. Because I mean, earning asimi is one thing, but using this platform to actually advertise for your products or for affiliate programs that you are part of is actually another great way to earn. So also guys, this person right here, this is actually funny because this website is always like this. So I don't know if this one knows the owner of this website, they must actually reach out to them, because they're basically wasting their money here, because nothing is showing. The link that they shared, that they use, is actually not showing on this page. Basically, this is all that you can see on their page. So they're actually just wasting their money, because no, we can't actually, it's an error, it's showing an error, so you can't do anything with this. So if you're going to be advertising, just make sure this actually doesn't happen to you. Test your website before you upload it there, so that you get the most. Because now the owner of their website might actually think that adspace is not doing the most, but actually the blame is on him or her, because as you can see, the website is not working. And it's actually bought a lot of advertising here, which is actually not, this is really not good. I think, somebody needs to contact this guy. They actually have an email here. You send them an email. But anyways, as you can see, this is how you do the prime ads. So each of those are actually 30 seconds. That's how you basically earn with this one, and then that's about it. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. If you're one of those people watching this video all the way to the end, I really appreciate you. If you got any questions, you can leave a comment down below. Also got a Telegram group, as I said. I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button. And so basically, I think I'm gonna do another video showing you the new way of earning, which is the login stake. So I'm gonna do a quick video demonstrating the whole process of me actually getting one, because I don't have one yet. So I'm going to be showing you how that goes and explain a bit more about the logging ad. So as you can see, it is actually live. So now I just need to get it, and then So otherwise, I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Peace.